Hi, my name is Daniel, and today I will be demonstrating how to use story activity in SharpCloud. As a user, by the end of this video, you will know where to access story activity, how to navigate through the menu, and how to pull it out as a CSV for further analysis. In order to access story activity in SharpCloud, navigate to the Activity button on the right side toolbar. By default, this will open up activity for the last 7 days. You can see that since I have my item hybrid wing body selected, it's showing only any activity for the hybrid wing body. If I click off of the hybrid wing body into the white space on the view, activity for the whole story will load. You can select which time frame you'd like to see by using the drop-down at the top of the activity menu. Below that, you're presented with a chart that shows any comments added, edits made, views by signed-in users, or anonymous views. You can use the checkboxes above the chart to select whether or not you'd like to see any of these aspects. Below the chart, you can see any activity across the allotted time frame, and if you're happy with the activity that you see and you want to download it to learn more, you can select Download Story Activity at the bottom of the activity menu. Here's an example of how that downloaded story activity will look. Each row will correspond to a particular edit made. For example, in this first row, it's showing that the status value for the item hybrid wing body was changed. I can see who made that change and when they made it. That's how you go about using story activity in SharpCloud. For any additional questions, please refer to the SharpCloud knowledge base.